Around the house, it might be used to protect your garden tools or your lawnmower in the shed. Or perhaps to help secure the kids' expensive bikes. All Lockwood padlock accessories are easy to install and come complete with installation instructions and fasteners. Lockwood has the right padlock and padlock accessory for those situations which require high or maximum protection, and you can't go past these two. They're highly rated for security and offer maximum corrosion protection. They're ideal for protecting highly valuable property. Perfect for tradespeople or those wishing to protect highly valuable possessions. Rated 9 for security and 4 for corrosion resistance, for the highest protection for extreme conditions. So whatever your need, whatever level of protection you're after, when it comes to padlocks and padlock accessories, Lockwood has the answer. Real quality, real security, real peace of mind. That's Lockwood.